My name is Malak.
Irrelevant. People fight over my name, Ollie or Allie, and the teachers get
I
involved.
thought you were gonna say people. People fight over me, and I was like, that's not true.
I'm 14. Wait, bro, it's not comfortable. Like, am I gonna have to move back down? Do you think? That's pretty comfortable. All right. Okay. If you want to see the rest of this video, just click on the link at the bottom of this shorts. Peace out.